Okay, this is a Walker muffler that I took out of my truck a couple weeks ago. It was in there for like 7 years, and it's starting to make like a drum kind of sound, you know, at certain speeds. So I decided I'd try out a different muffler. I bought another Walker, but it's a stainless steel one. It's supposed to be a quiet flow design. So, and actually I'm pretty happy with it. It's working out pretty good. It's quieter. So I want to cut this one open just to see what's inside, see if there's any, you know, damage in there. There might be some rust probably. I would expect after 7 years. But the outside's pretty good, amazingly. So I'm gonna tape this up. I'm gonna get some, cut some straight lines. Alright, let's cut her open and see what's inside. Glasses on, gloves. Here it goes. Oh yeah. It's a little rusty. Okay. Yeah, the inlet is right here. So it goes in. Goes in there. And you can see some holes here. They're like louvers. Both sides. There's a hole there. And then this one's got louvers. Solid here, but rusty. And it's got a hole here. Pretty cool design. It's got holes. It's got some holes. Let's see if you can see them here. Big hole here. I have an image of the new one that I bought. Obviously I don't have it apart like this, but I've got a picture of it. I believe it has 3 of these instead of just 2 to muffle down the sound, I would guess. Okay, here's an image of the stainless steel quiet flow muffler compared to the old one. I'll put a link down below in case you want to compare them or are thinking about buying one yourself. Okay, back to the video. Pretty cool. You can see the rust down here. Some loose stuff. You can see some stuff here. That's your outlet. So that's what it looks like on the inside of a Walker muffler. 7 years, it's still pretty solid though, you know, you could still drive it, but I didn't like the sound, and I figured I'd just try a new muffler out and see if it quiets down my ride a little bit. Pretty cool. Hey, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up.